User want to explore settings in Phillip9. Go to menu, click on settings, and user will be able to explore settings for the below options. To enable 2FA, user can authentic using TOTP or biometric. Please refer FAQ point number 1 for more information and details. User can select the theme, light and dark. Choose your desired one. Enter old password of Phillip9. Enter your desired password. In new password section. And to verify, please enter again your new password. In confirm password section. By doing this, user will be able to change password. To check the latest version of the app, start your journey with Phillip9. Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.